Okay, here, Papa. Papa. There's Jess and Papa ready to go for a bike ride.
New bike.
Are you excited, Jessa? Jessa, are you excited? Okay.
Okay. Okay. Put inside. Okay. Okay.
Hi, Jessa. Are you excited? Jessa?
Okay. You want to sit back? You happy, excited to go for a bike ride?
Say byes. Byes. Beautiful eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful eyes, Jessa.
Sorry. Hold on. There.
There's Papa getting ready
You lean back.
for Jessa's first uh,
Bike ride.
bike ride.
Oh, it's twisted. Sorry. Yeah. It's better. Here. And the lap belt. Okay. There, and then we'll cinch this up and we're ready to go.
Jessa.
Here's Mama.
Hi. Hello, Jessa. How's her helmet?
I'm gonna check it. Okay.
Is it not loose?
Okay. Is that too tight there? No. That's
I
just
think
good,
that's
eh?
perfect. Try it here first.
Yeah. Is it okay for you? Okay. Here we go. Ready? Hang on.
Kring, 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 Papa.
Okay.
Kring, kring.
Here we go. Hang on. And now we go. Having fun? Mama. Hey, Mama. Go. How's your helmet? Is it
Good.
okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I forgot to put on? Is your handlebar. Put that on, okay? You have something to hang on to. Put your fingers. Put your fingers. That's right. And the other way. No, it has to be this way. Look at Mommy.
Jessa. Jessa, look.
Look, Mama.
Jessa. Jessa, look. Anak.
There you go. And hang on now, okay? Yeah. What's that? Cool? Alright, here we go. Hang on. Here we go.
Go outside.
Okay.
Outside.
Go
Here.
around this way.
Here.
Gate open?
Yeah.
Helmet falling down? Oh. Once we get smoother pavement. Here we go.
Jessa.
Hi, Mama.
Want me to open it?
No.
Oh, her helmet.
You have to fix your helmet.
There. It's okay now.
Hey, here, chessa. Here we go.
That's Joy's bike there. That's Joy. We're going outside now. This is my first red car. Go use your bike.
How's your
Wait.
helmet?
There.
You have to adjust that.
Joy is coming too. Where's your helmet, Joy? Use your helmet, Joy.
What?
Use your helmet.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars.
Chessa! Wait for Mama, Chessa. Here comes Joy.
That's a chain.
Hey, baby.
I think we have to adjust your helmet.
That's okay for now.
Can't see.
Matching.
A little bit. Yeah.
Tyson.
Hatching.
Did one of those things come off?
Baby, ato dito, Joy. Si Joy na exhibition.
Here, here, here.
Fix it better.
See a chink?
Try that. Okay.
Fixing her helmet.
It's a little bit big, eh?
That's okay.
Go grow into it. Okay, let's go.
Let me see. Smile. Beautiful eyes. Oh, beautiful eyes, Chessa. Chessa. Chessa.
Look at Mama.
Chessa. Astronaut. Okay.
Boing. Here we go. Bye. Okay. Bye, Mom. See
Bye.
you later.
Where you going?
Just down the road.
Okay. Yeah, go. Joy will go with you. Bye now. Ato dito.
Asa ko mo?
Uban. Wait, Blaine.
Kaya na kami net.
Wait. 1 more minute.
Here we go.
How's that?
Good. Okay. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Wayne Road.